In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly link a PDF file to a button on your website. This simple process will enhance your user's experience by offering easy access to important documents or information directly from your site. So let's dive right in and get started. First up, we need to access the Assets panel, where all our uploaded files are stored. You have a couple of options here. A quick way to do this is by pressing the J key on your keyboard, and just like magic, the panel will appear on your screen. Alternatively, if you prefer clicking, you can find the Assets icon on the left sidebar of your interface. Give it a click, and you'll land in the same spot. This panel is your central hub for managing the files that you'll be working with, and it's essential for our next steps. Once you're in the Assets panel, the next thing you need to do is upload your PDF file. You can accomplish this by clicking on the Upload button you'll notice right there. But if you're someone who loves convenience, there's an even faster way. Simply drag and drop your PDF file directly into the panel. This method is perfect if you have the file handy on your desktop or a file explorer window. Your file will then upload to the platform, ready to be linked. Now that your PDF is uploaded, let's move on to selecting the button element on your web page that you want to link this PDF to. It's vital that you select the correct button, as this is what your visitors will be interacting with. So make sure to choose the one that best ties in with the content of your PDF. Then direct your attention to the Settings panel on the right side of your screen. This panel is where all the configuration for your button is managed. Here you'll need to locate the Link Settings section. This might seem a bit technical, but don't worry, we're here to make it straightforward. You'll see a drop-down menu within the Link Settings section. Go ahead and click it. You'll then select File from the drop-down options. By doing this, you're letting the system know that you wish to link a file, not a URL or a page. After that, a list of your uploaded assets will be displayed. Ensure you select the PDF you just uploaded from this list. This action creates the link between your PDF and your chosen button, making them interconnected in your site's live environment. Finally, to make sure everything is in place and functional, don't forget to publish your site. Publishing applies all the wonderful changes you've made, including linking your PDF. Once published, visitors can now click the button on your site and easily access the PDF file. And there you have it. A simple yet powerful way to provide valuable content to your audience with just a click of a button. Happy linking!